ancient mythological lore with the prism of sci-fi. Cargo is the recently released movie on Netflix, and I hope you will really like it. If you are, if you just wanted to change the taste of your daily dose of movies, this is a perfect choice for you. You will not find any kind of masala in it, but it will be very good and worth watching because it's totally made for different kind of audience. What a beautiful day to begin with. Thank you so much for being with me, and today we are going to review recently released Cargo movie. The movie is all about peace agreement between humans and demons, and after years of battle they have come to a peace agreement, and Cargo is an example of this one, where they have learned to live in peace and harmony. And Cargo is post death transition center, and here you will find different kinds of soul telling their tales and how they come to this place. Welcome to 634A Pushpak. As the name suggests, this space shuttle, or the name is given to it Cargo, where the demons are helping humans to reborn after death. They are transforming them, making them fresh and new to be in the new world. And it is run by a 67-year-old young protagonist who is giving it an image of not a sci-fi but a human. And I think this is a very good thing that we have come, because we have learned something new today. Most of the time the movies are just all about fighting and everything, but here the movies are all about emotions and how to understand each other's feeling. So in Cargo, Pushpak 634A is run by Prasatha. So again, use the mythological name. So here Prasatha is running this for the past 67 years, and he has to get the dead people, erase their memory, transform them to reborn in a new life. So he's all alone, and one time after a long time his upper management, the boss, works. So this guy is working there as a white collar job, just busy in his daily routine doing the regular job. He's all alone there. So his upper management one day said that you really need a secretary, and thus comes the charming, beautiful, and adding some flavor to this movie, the female actress. And after that what happens is they are just trying to get along with the people, knowing their lives, whatever they have gone through, no matter they are from sci-fi world, but they have the feelings and emotions of human. So that's all about Cargo is, and I hope you will really like it. Especially the good thing is that they have brought something unique and changed content here, because this is the genre that hardly most of the people they touch it in Bollywood. Especially you have seen in the Hollywood there is a good competition, but here we always like masala movies and something that is pleasing to our ears and our hearts. But it is something good. The debutant director has taken a good initiative. No problem that sometimes people do like it or not like it. That's why we should have encouraged this kind of content, because it discourages them to give something very productive in the future. Because if we will just follow the same kind of movies and we don't upload this kind of, or we don't appreciate this kind of movies, it will deject them. And I hope you should give a thumbs up to this movie, especially watch them, and I hope you will like it. So just see what is all about it and how they made it. But the beginning was very good, because it's all about the loneliness. I hope you will like this movie, and kindly thumbs up and press the bell icon for more notifications, and enjoy this. Bye bye.